Beyond Halloween, the nutritional treasure of pumpkins. Pumpkins, often relegated to the realms of Halloween decorations and Thanksgiving pies, hold an array of surprising health benefits that extend far beyond their seasonal display. This vibrant orange fruit, commonly mistaken for a vegetable, is more than just a festive ornament. Beyond its iconic status in autumnal celebrations, pumpkin is a powerhouse of nutrients, deserving a pivotal place in our diets throughout the year. The common perception of pumpkins as merely a canvas for spooky faces or a filling for sweet desserts overshadows their nutritional value. Yet, when we delve into the composition of this humble gourd, we uncover a wealth of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for maintaining good health. This initial misjudgment often leads to the underutilization of pumpkin in everyday cooking, despite its versatility and health benefits. Unpacking the health potential of pumpkins involves understanding their rich supply of dietary fiber, vitamin A, vitamin C, and potassium, among other nutrients. Each component plays a crucial role in promoting health, from enhancing vision and skin health to boosting the immune system and supporting heart health. By incorporating more pumpkin into our diets, we can take advantage of these nutritious benefits in a delicious way. As we explore the various health benefits of pumpkins, it becomes evident that this fruit is not just for carving or pie making. It's a nutritional giant that can enrich our diets significantly. This section sets the stage for a deeper dive into the specific health perks that pumpkins offer, challenging the conventional view and showcasing its rightful place in nutrition-conscious cuisine. A vitamin powerhouse. Unpacking pumpkin's nutritional profile. Pumpkins are a formidable source of vitamins, particularly vitamin A, which is essential for a myriad of body functions, including vision, immune function, and skin health. A single cup of cooked pumpkin can provide over 200% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin A, making it one of the richest plant-based sources of this vital nutrient. This high vitamin content is primarily due to the rich concentration of carotenoids, the compounds that give pumpkin its bright orange color. Beyond vitamin A, pumpkins also offer a good dose of vitamin C, vitamin E, and several of the B vitamins. These vitamins play critical roles in fighting infections, protecting against environmental oxidative stress, and enhancing energy production within the body. It's a compelling lineup of benefits that positions pumpkin as a nutrient-dense food choice. The presence of minerals such as potassium, copper, manganese, and iron further enhances the nutritional profile of pumpkins. Potassium aids in maintaining optimal blood pressure and heart function, while iron is crucial for oxygen transport in the blood. These minerals contribute not only to the overall health benefits of consuming pumpkin, but also to its role in preventing chronic diseases. Integrating pumpkin into daily meals can boost your intake of these essential nutrients. Whether it's through pumpkin soup, roasted pumpkin seeds, or even pumpkin smoothies, the versatility of pumpkin makes it easy to enrich your diet with its valuable vitamins and minerals. This section highlights how, by incorporating pumpkin into your meals, you can significantly enhance your nutritional intake. Pumpkin and heart health. A closer look at cardiovascular benefits. The benefits of pumpkin extend significantly to heart health, thanks to its high fiber content, potassium, and antioxidants. Dietary fiber is known for its role in lowering blood cholesterol levels, a major risk factor for heart disease. A diet rich in fiber can also help to regulate blood pressure and reduce inflammation, both of which are beneficial for heart health. Potassium, another key nutrient found in pumpkins, helps to balance out the negative effects of salt in the diet and maintains proper fluid balance in the body. This mineral is essential for heart function and can help to prevent strokes by maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. The combined effects of fiber and potassium make pumpkin a heart-healthy choice. Antioxidants in pumpkins, such as beta-carotene and vitamin C, contribute to its cardiovascular benefits as well. These substances help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, which are linked to heart disease. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, these antioxidants protect the heart and vascular system. Incorporating pumpkin into your diet through various dishes like salads, soups, and smoothies can boost your heart health. This section emphasizes that pumpkin is not just a seasonal treat, but a year-round ally for maintaining a healthy heart. Pumpkins are not just for decoration. They are a powerhouse of nutrients, especially beta-carotene. This vital antioxidant is converted into vitamin A in the body, which is crucial for maintaining healthy vision and skin. Now, you might be surprised to learn that pumpkin can also play a role in weight management. It's low in calories but rich in fiber, which helps to keep you feeling full longer. This makes it a fantastic addition to any weight loss diet. Embracing pumpkin in your everyday diet is easier than you might think. From soups and salads to desserts and smoothies, there are countless ways to incorporate this versatile vegetable into your meals, enhancing flavor and boosting nutrition.